Hey divas, happy new year. Oh yeah, of course. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I'm back again. Thank you guys so much for all your support last year. Thank you for all the likes, amazing comments and all of that. Thank you so much. This is a new year. Me, hopefully. I am hoping to be able to be consistent like before, but yeah, would try my best. I'll try my best as much as I could. But yeah, this is a simple sultry makeup tutorial that I created using the Colorpop Grinch collection. I am loving this collection, especially this eyeshadow palette. I've actually created a lot of looks with this palette really, and I am loving them so far. I love this palette and the collection itself. I'm going to show you guys in my next tutorial or next video really. So yeah, as always, this is the same eyeshadow look method but with a matte um eyeshadow palette and shade. Yeah, I always still use the same. I still use the same method to create my eyeshadow look, makeup look. Everything's still the same as it was last year, but the only difference is just the color change. As you guys already know, I like simple makeup look, like straightforward makeup look, and I know a lot of ladies are also in this category. So yeah, I thought why not, let's do it. So I use the lighter shade on my lids and the brownish red shade in my outer V. So simple, straightforward. Applied my eyeliner and bam, eyelashes, the eye look, it's all done. So move on to my face, which I use the Laura Mercier primer and the foundation by Fenty, one of my favorite. And I also applied the Colourpop Cosmetics foundation. It's actually a foundation stick, but sometimes I do enjoy using it as a concealer. And guys, you wouldn't believe this contour stick was actually by collection, no, Essence collection. Yeah, very affordable, guys. It felt so much like the Fenty Beauty contour stick, and yeah, I really like it. So creamy, easy to blend. And then I moved forward by applying my powder by Laura Mercier setting powder, and I mixed that with the Pat McGrath powder because that actually had a yellow tone to it, so it was a good mixture. So yeah, I applied my setting spray by L'Oreal, one of the best setting spray that I used last year, and I am still loving it. So yeah, and yeah, moving on with the Shein um blush, and then the lips by Charlotte Tilbury, and the lip pen by NYX, and the lip gloss by NYX as well. So that concludes the look. What do you guys think? This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I am loving it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. Please feel free to share this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.